third graders. Today we are going to be talking about abbreviations. An abbreviation is a shortcut for an author to write a word or a group of words. So for example, the word doctor. A lot of times you'll see it written as DR. So like this. DR period. That's just some fancy cursive writing right there. But this is just a shortcut to write doctor. So instead of all those letters, we can shorten it up and write DR. Now, it doesn't only work for doctor. There are many different abbreviations that we have in our English language that we use in our writing. So we're going to take a look at those today. So we could say this: I am going to see Dr. Brown this afternoon. Or we could shorten it up and write this: I am going to see Dr. DR, still means the same thing, Brown this afternoon. Okay, just a shortened way to write doctor, DR, and then a period at the end. Proper nouns have capital letters. A period is used to show there was an abbreviated word. So the reason we have that little period there at the end of these letters is to show that this right here was abbreviated. It was once longer. It was doctor, but we abbreviated it to be DR period. Okay, so because this is a proper noun, Dr. Brown, that is why we have a capital D here instead of a lowercase d. Let's do some practice here. So we're going to read these days of the weeks, and I'm going to show you the abbreviation for each of them. So the first one is, and if you look very closely, you'll notice that the first three letters here are underlined. That is actually going to be our abbreviation for the word Sunday. So in order to abbreviate Sunday, I'm going to write S, capital S, U, N, and a period there tells me that it's an abbreviation. Capital S because it's a proper noun, it's the name of a day of the week, and the period at the end showing me that it is an abbreviation. Let's take a look at Monday. This one also has three letters in the abbreviation. Capital M because it is the proper noun, it's the name of a day of the week. MON, period, tells me that it's an abbreviation. So M, capital MON, period, is short for, or an abbreviation for, Monday. Let's check out Tuesday. Tuesday is a little bit different. For this one, we use 4 letters. So the abbreviation for Tuesday becomes capital T, because it's a proper noun, UES, and then a period tells me that it is an abbreviation. Okay? So Tues is the abbreviation or shortened version for Tuesday. Wednesday. We're back to using 3 letters. So the abbreviation for Wednesday is capital W, E, D, and then a period. That tells me that it's an abbreviation. Thursday. Take a look. 5 letters here. Capital T, H, U, R, S. Period, telling me that it's an abbreviation. So the abbreviation for Thursday is THURS. We're really just leaving off the word day for this one. Okay. Friday. Capital F, R, I, and then a period, telling me it's an abbreviation. Saturday. 3 letters again. S, capital S, A, T. and that period, that tells me it's an abbreviation. Okay, so you'll notice that most of these days of the week, we're really taking these first three letters to abbreviate them. The only ones that do not have three letters for their abbreviation are Thursday and Tuesday. So Tuesday has 4 letters, Thursday has 5 letters, but they're still shortened versions of the days of the week. Look now at some abbreviations for months of the year. So first we have January. The abbreviation for January happens to be the first 3 letters. So capital J, A, N, and then that period at the end tells me that it is an abbreviation. Number 2 happens to be the first 3 letters again. So capital F, E, B, period to tell me that's an abbreviation. March. The abbreviation for March is M, capital M, A, R, period. Why do we have a capital letter for each of these months, even though they're an abbreviation? Yep, because they are a proper noun. Let's keep going. April. The abbreviation for April is, you guessed it, capital A, P, R, and a period at the end. Let's take a look at these next 2. Now you'll notice this little note here at the bottom. It says which months or month cannot be abbreviated. Well, third graders, I will let you in on a little secret. May and June are some of the months that do not have an abbreviation, and why do you think that is? Yeah, they are already so short that there is no sense in trying to shorten them further, right? That would just be silly. So just like our other months, how we have those first 3 letters of the month of the year, okay? May and June are already so short, 3 and 4 letters, no need to abbreviate. So no abbreviation for May or June. Let's look at July. July also has 4 letters, so do you think we're going to abbreviate that one? Nope. July stays the same. So no abbreviation for May, June, and July. August. The abbreviation for August is, you guessed it, first 3 letters, capital A, U, G, and a period. Okay. September. Look at this one very closely. Okay. September has 4 letters in the abbreviation. So capital S, E, P, T, period. Okay. Sept is the abbreviation for September. October, first 3 letters, capital O, C, T. November, first 3 letters, capital N, O, V. And December, you got it, first 3 letters, capital D, E, C. So these are the abbreviations for the months of the year. So just to recap, January, February, March, April, August, October, November, and December all have 3 letters in their abbreviations, and the period, of course. May, June, and July do not have abbreviations at all because they're already pretty short words, okay, or names. They are 3 or 4 letters already, so there's no sense in trying to shorten them up. One of the other exceptions to that 3-letter rule that we seem to have for these months of the year abbreviations is September. Okay, for whatever reason, we have that T in there for that abbreviation. So capital SEPNT.